So, muna siya itong propose nga rocket design ng LM3, Layang Mindanao Rocket. Layang means a word, native word means fly. So, LM3, that's already the liquid propellant rocket version because ang LM1 and LM2 is a test launching or the test model LM1 and LM2. So, LM3 and LM4 are the larger version. So, muna siya itong perspective rocket sa Mindanao Amateur Rocket Society, Mars X. Mars X. So, actually this is, ano, uh, if you remember the V2 rocket of the German Nazi, it is like the triple power of the B2. Kaso, the Nazi has already this design kanina ni kadaka, but they already lose the victory of the war. So, kutob na siya sa V2. But anyway, ang LM3 is a liquid propellant rocket. So, ang LM2 is a research rocket nga powered by solid and other propellants in order just to test some of the materials, some of the equipment, and to be embedded in the ano in the rocket itself. So Mars X is often for all the amateurs. So from Mindanao and even from other regions across the Philippines. So anyway, ang why nga it is necessary that the people will already take the initiative to do uh, this endeavor, because science, particularly the aspect of space and rocket, hindi ito ba basta-basta mabudgetan ng gobyerno. It is because na hindi sila dito makapasok ng pera sa kanilang bulsa. Unlike the other aspect, yung mga construction, etc. Makapasok yung mga politiko ng pera dyan. Kaya yan, paborito nila ka ng budget. Not the other scientific endeavor. Ganito, particularly, Philippines is not a rich country. And even in the countries that are already economically elevated, some of the rocket and space program are shut down by their Congress. Like for example, United States, if you try to review the history and Project Constellation of United States is cancelled by their Congress due to financial. So how much more in the Philippines na I don't know. So the people should take now the initiative if you want the any aspect or any endeavor you want in this country to see, then take now an initiative in order for you to see what you want to see in the future. So in the aspect of rocket science, so why I'm not bringing the name of the country, and of course I love my homeland. So this is it is being oppressed for how many years, and hindi ito na bigyang pansin, and we always treated as a second class citizen of this country. Kasi mga tingin niyo sa amin, tingin niyo sa mga Bisaya, sa taga Mindanao at whatsoever, mga mababang uri ang tao. So that's the thing that we're trying to disprove from the eyes of the people. It doesn't mean that we are going to dance with a tune in the eyes of by we want to praise the people, but no, we want that, uh, like for example in this case, we want just to fulfill our dreams and whatsoever. So yan lang po. So patuloy kayong magsubaybay sa ating mga podcast so that marami pa kayong matutunan.